don't know what the street name is, but I'm at a railroad crossing in Burbank, Washington. The base of it is a safe train base. Right there is the dot tag. The dot number is 8443998H. Lights are safe train 12 by 24 inch lights, and plus probably 7-generation LEDs. And the bell looks like an NEG electronic bell. And 2 tracks. Here, I'll go over to the other side. I've never been out here before. There's a train coming. This one has another safe train base, and the dot number over here, the correct one is 8443998H, and mass lights are safe train 12 to 24 inch lights with what's called a 2nd-generation LEDs. There's a train coming right now, and the bell is another NEG electronic bell, and back over this side, there is a train coming.